Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Guymoney here. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make money with your social media account. Is either maybe Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram. I'm going to be showing you how you can make money. And mind you, this site is just for Nigerians. Okay, it's for Nigerians. The website name is HAWKIT, okay, .ng. Okay, so this is the site. When you sign up, you can earn money by doing social media tags. And this site, they just celebrated 30 million naira payout. They've paid out 30 million naira, guys. This site is paying and is good. After signing up, you're just going to pay a token of 1,000 naira. Doesn't cost much, okay? Then in a day, maybe you can make up to 1,500, 2,000, like that. I've already created a fresh account for this tutorial sake, okay? So I'm going to be showing you. So first of all, let me log into my account, okay? So this is my new account, and I've paid 1,000 naira. If I want to start earning, I pay 1,000 naira. And also with this site, one thing you need to know about this site, you can also grow your social media platform with this site, okay? All you have to do is to pay a token, and they'll start giving people tags with your ID, so people go follow you on your different platform, okay? And if you want to make money also, you just need to pay a token of 1,000 naira. Then you start performing tasks and start earning money daily. So you can just use this one as your side way hustle or whatever you want to do with it. After creating your account and paying the sum of 1,000 naira, okay, so you go to this perform social tax and earn. So when you open it, you're going to see this will tell you do now. You can do this one 20 naira per status for WhatsApp. Then you have to like and follow a Facebook page. You earn 3 naira. Once you do these three, you're going to, after approval, you're going to credit your wallet. After crediting your wallet, you come back again. Then they give you other tasks to do, just like that. With 3 naira, 20 naira, in a day you can make up to 1,000 naira, 1,500. It depends on the amount of time you spend on the site or on the app. So there is a lot you can take advantage of this website. It is nice and cool. And also you can make money by referring others, your friends, your colleagues. The link is in the description below, so you can just click on the link in the description, and it will take you straight to the website. Then you can sign up and start earning. So don't waste your time on the internet looking at videos, and this way you can make money online. Okay, so if you like this video, please, you can support the channel by liking the video, by subscribing, and also if you have a question, you can put it down on the comment section. Then I will get back to you once I receive the question. Okay, while signing up. If you encounter any challenge, you can also comment it down on the comment section, then I will see how I can help you get through it. Thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing. Goodbye, see you in the next video.